Okay guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Edit content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today we're here to reintroduce or re-show you guys our sublimation gang sheets. Again, we sell sublimation gang sheets, not just DTF transfers, not just stickers, but we sell sublimation gang sheets. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so if you didn't know, a lot of people ask us about our transfers and, do we make anything that goes on, dark colors or cotton or anything like that? But we also sell sublimation gang sheets. If you are not familiar with sublimation, you notice it's in reverse. Sublimation is a process that goes on polyester. What other things? Mostly 100%
polyester. That's polyester. Where it will.
But also tumblers.
Oh, yeah.
Tumblers are done with polyester.
Mugs, tumblers, keychains.
There you go.
Things like that. Earrings, if it has the right type of fabric on it.
What are those things called? What are accessories? I'm trying to think of another accessory that also.
Mouse pads.
Mouse pads, yeah, she knows them all. She knows all those things. So that's what, and we'll go ahead and roll this up. But as you guys can see, we just want to show you guys the size. So this is a lot bigger than Shelly.
24.
22 by 24. You see I have tumbler on here. So we can fit about, just if you had other logos, so say you were doing sheets, or say you're doing shirts or hoodies, again, they have to be polyester, but just look how big of a tumbler. We have 3 big tumbler logos right here. Tumbler templates, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. But if you were only in the business of doing tumblers, if you were only in the business of doing mugs or anything like that, and your prime money, all your money comes from sublimation, this sheet right here for $14.99 is gonna super exceed any profit margins that you had before, because chances are right now you're doing it on a 8x11 printer, maybe a sublimation printer that you converted. Lord knows we converted ours. We threw it out. Go check out that video, but then we brought it back. But so this right here, we created this. We have a commercial grade printer, sublimation printer that prints on this paper that, again, we sell this entire sheet. So just imagine how many cup layout.
Yeah.
What do they call it?
Tumblers?
Tumbler templates. How many tumbler templates you could fit on this huge sheet for only $14.99. So guys, we just wanted to show you guys, we haven't really made any videos on our sublimation transfer, so we figured that we kind of ramp up our sales by ramping up our content and our videos and sharing with you our products. I know we do a lot of videos on business and stuff like that, but we also want to share with you guys our products. So we have these sublimation gang sheets as well, same size as our DTF gang sheets, but for a few dollars cheaper, because you cannot put these on a dark garment like this or a cotton blend or a 50-50 blend. It has to be 100% polyester, but you cannot put DTF on a mug, right?
You can, but it will wash off.
It will wash off. And we have stickers for that, but for the people out there who are making, you have a friend and she actually held our mugs in the store. Didn't she use sublimation?
Who?
The lady who had the mugs in the store with the Coca-Cola.
Oh, that's not my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did. We didn't have this product for her at that time. Too bad. We should actually reach out to her.
Yeah.
I forgot her name. But yes, she did custom tumblers and custom mugs, and she did it by sublimation. She did that as a part-time gig type of thing, and she held her mugs here as well. So I'm actually gonna reach out to her to let her know, hey, we have these humongous sheets. And also with these sheets, you can do
about a medium to small.
Large.
Maybe a medium to small, I know for a fact.
What?
T-shirt, the whole shirt.
Yeah. And if you are not familiar with sublimation, I recommend that you do very extensive sublimation research.
Yes. I
still get emails to this day saying, hey, what is the difference between sublimation and DTF? And there's so many differences. I have to reply back, please do your research. Please do your research. Do not just purchase because they're cheaper. Do not just purchase because you can put templates on it. You need to purchase because that is what you need for your business, for your company, for whatever your craft or project is. We might do a very detailed video on the differences, but this video is not. Please do your research.
Yes, this is DTF. This is sublimation.
Yes, and the colors here, for sublimation, heat activates the ink. So it looks dull when you get it, and it looks dull now, but it will activate to vibrant colors just like this.
Yes. Oh, flags, we made flags.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's so vibrant, just like this.
Yes, we actually have a video on our channel right now at the warehouse, at the old warehouse, where we were showing you guys about our sublimation transfer. So make sure you guys go check that out. We kind of teach you a lot in that video. But please, like she said, please do your research, because we do get people who think, oh my God, I can purchase this for $14.99 and actually go through with the purchase. And then when they find out that, hey, well, you can't sublimate on a black hoodie, that's when they kind of are between a rock and a hard place. We usually end up helping them out, might have to just pay the difference for the transfer.
Yeah, we've had a few people, and a few people that don't even read the drop down menu, and they just see something cheaper and then they just buy it because it's sheets. And then we always make sure, hey, are you aware that you purchased sublimation sheets? And they say no. And that's usually how it goes. They're not realizing I just saw $14.99 and that's what I wanted to purchase. So they end up paying the difference, which is fine. But please be sure you're reading everything in the drop-down menu and doing your research on sublimation.
Yes, so that is just a quick video on our sublimation gang sheets. Again, we're the only people on YouTube that I'm aware of that even offer that product. A lot of people offer, sublimation sheets, I guess.
Like transfers.
Like transfers, right? But
and then they offer like, what is it?
who is it?
The screen printing transfers, things like that. So you can get them by the logo, but no one is offering gang sheets of sublimation. So.
Yes, exactly. So please take advantage of that, guys. $14.99. Please, if you are in the tumbler cup making business, which is really the biggest thing for sublimation.
Yeah,
it's really the biggest, because with garments and apparel, you have DTG, vinyl, DTF, screen print transfers, like some other big companies out there, and then dark transfer paper, stuff like that, which is another video we touched on. But in the world of mugs, in the world of accessories and stuff like that, sublimation is king. So if you see a video of ours, please don't be offended. We don't go at sublimation because we actually make the product. At the time of that video, we did not make that product, but now since we realized how many people were really offended by that, we decided to get into the sublimation game and bring you guys the first ever sublimation gang sheet. So please take advantage of that, guys. $14.99 on our website, Flash Custom Transfers. You can check us out. If you have any questions, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Hit up Chelly, hit up Carl, hit us up. Don't email straight out of content. Do not email straight out of content. Do not handle business out of straight out of content. I got a lot of emails, people asking me questions. It's Flash Custom Transfers. Order now at Flash Custom Transfers. That's where we will handle all of your business.
.com.
.com. All right, guys, we are starving and we got a lot of stuff to do. So check out all other content. Also check out Flash Custom Transfers on YouTube as well. Go over there, check out all those videos. In fact, we just got a new 3-series video, right? Three video series.
Part
maybe
one,
a fourth
part
one.
two, part three.
Part 3. I can go ahead and tell them real quick about it.
It is. It's just a series kind of showing, explaining my experience with purchasing a retail store. So it's step by step, everything you need to know when shopping for a retail store, from when you are shopping to when you sign your lease until you win. What?
Well,
shopping for one, when you sign your lease, and after you sign your lease, before you open your door. So please check that out if that's something that you're interested in. Flash Custom Transfers.
Yep, check us out on YouTube. All right, guys, you know our slogan. Be basic. Peace.